The first step in building my installation was gathering long sticks. For this, I recruited my boyfriend and father, who worked quite industriously. With good results. The next step was building the framework for the Chrysalis layer of the installation, which was fabricated out of PVC pipe, zip ties, and glue, and was created to be the protective covering for the inside layer of the installation. As you can see, it's taking the shape of a large flower petal right now. We built 6 frames. This brings us to the next step, gluing the vinyl fabric onto the frames. Here's the courtyard before the installation. Now we are hanging the first layer, the cocoon. This was a complicated procedure. Created out of a basket chair, mosquito netting, and fabrics, this layer was designed to be comfortable and secure. The installation's name, Mother Nature's Womb, was inspired by my desire to be somewhere ultimately stress-free, so I set out to create the safest place imaginable, guarded by the personification of nature herself. The last step in hanging the first layer was to hang a butterfly light to be illuminated during the night and to lend whimsy during the day. After hanging the cocoon, we hung the chrysalis. To do this, my dad handed me the pieces while I clambered around in the tree to hang them up. Crabapple trees are not very comfortable. Here, the chrysalis layer is mostly attached, and here I am in the marvelous tree. The last step was to finish hanging the butterfly lights. Mother Nature must have liked the tribute I paid her because she embellished it with a lovely frost the next morning. Mother Nature's womb was meant as a place of security, serenity, peace, and magic. It was also meant as a place for children. This is fun.
Do I hear somebody laughing?
Yeah.
I think somebody's happy in there.
Yeah.
I think you might be happy in there. Whee! Around and around. Oh, I'm glad you're having fun in there, Echo. That's about the neatest thing ever, huh? Have a play in it? Yeah. Whoa!
I love to see and hear viewers' reactions to my art.
I feel like a little kid again.
Did you have fun out there?
Yeah.
Now, what were you thinking when you were inside there?
I was thinking I was in a fairy house.